How to fix Bluetooth audio not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, on off Bluetooth. Open settings. Click on connections. Here you will see Bluetooth. Now click on Bluetooth. Now turn on Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth. Now go back. After that, the start device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, then click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, clear Bluetooth cache. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, click on three lines, turn on show system apps. After turning on show system apps, click on OK. Search Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth, scroll down, click on storage. Now here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, Bluetooth will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, scroll down, click on reset, click on reset mobile network settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Now here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix Bluetooth audio not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.